The Hydrogen Fuel Cell Partnership Station Operational Status System, SOSS, gives California fuel cell drivers real-time station status so you can plan before you leave home. SOSS shows you publicly accessible hydrogen stations across California. Use the region filter to narrow results to your area. Not sure what a symbol means? Tap the station legend. Here's what each status means. Green circle, online, ready to fuel. Yellow triangle, limited. The station is running, but you may not receive a complete fill. During supply disruptions, this is the status to watch closely. Red square, offline. Refresh symbol. Give the station 10 to 15 minutes. Question mark. Data connectivity lost. Tap the station and call the operator directly. See an information icon? Tap it for a note from the station operator. Rely on the status, which is real-time information. Tap any station for its detail page. Current status, hours, and inventory level. Hit Get Directions, and you are directed to Google Maps for navigation. Need to reach someone? Tap Station Contact. You can help your fellow FCEV drivers by logging into your account to report, in real time, how many dispensers are working and how many vehicles are in the queue at your station. Every report helps the driver behind you make a smarter call. SOSS feeds real-time data to automaker dashboards and your favorite hydrogen apps too. So, whatever tool you prefer, you're getting the same live information, real-time status, right when you need it. For the most complete picture, check m.h2fcp.org.